The following portion of Beyond the Backyard is sponsored by Meadowlark Landscaping.
Welcome back here on Good Day, Kansas. We continue today from Wichita with our Beyond the Backyard series with Luke, the owner of Meadowlark Landscape and Design. Luke, thanks for taking some time to be with us again.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I know this is such a busy time for you guys, and part of that is because you guys are taking care of so many lawns all across Wichita and beyond. But tell us, we're talking about flower care, annual flower care today.
Yeah.
Tell us about what that entails and why that's so important.
Yeah, so after, you know, the May time frame is super busy with getting annual plantings done, graduations, lots of parties, you know, things like that. So not only in the ground annuals, but pot annuals. We always fertilize at planting, but then those have kind of a lifetime, right? So we always want to come back in and start doing our feeding of the flowers to keep them blooming, keep them growing, always have that bloom. Deadheading, things like that, kind of just general maintenance of the annual flowers to keep them always looking fabulous. Yeah,
and what can flowers do to kind of, not necessarily bring value, but bring that aesthetic of a yard?
You always get that really bright pop of color. Perennials do a great job of that, but they also bloom in waves. Annuals can have consistent blooms, especially if you're feeding them. You know, every couple of weeks we like to try to introduce some food to get them keeping them blooming and things. But you have a lot more array of colors and textures and things like that with annuals, things that don't grow here, obviously. Tropicals, you know, you name it. So it's just fun because you can get deep oranges, reds, deep pinks, lots of different textures and flows. So a lot of very popular topic, very popular with gardening is annual flowers. Yeah, for someone that would love to have a beautiful yard like this one that we're at today, but I just don't know much about it or how to take care of it. That's where you guys can come in and your expertise of whether that be how much mulch to do or what looks best, whether it's tree care. I want to emphasize that you guys are the experts and you guys do this every single day. Yeah. So we'll not only help with the design aspect and the install, but we'll also help with that maintenance like we just talked about. So that's our favorite thing to do is meet new people and new challenges. And making Wichita beautiful. Yeah, and don't think that you have to live in the most fancy home either. You guys work with all different classes of homes. Absolutely. It doesn't matter to us. We want to make one house beautiful at a time. Yep, absolutely. Tell us how people can get more information and get in contact with you guys. You can always reach us online or give us a call. Whether it's flower care or anything else in your yard, Luke and his team over at Meadowlark Landscape and Design are people to get to. Thanks so much for your time today. We have more of Good Day Kansas coming up right after this.
The preceding portion of Beyond the Backyard is sponsored by Meadowlark Landscaping.
Picture a garden that reflects your style and represents your lifestyle. At Meadowlark, we make your dreams a reality. Transform your outdoor oasis with Meadowlark Landscape and Design. Where dreams flourish, our expert team at Meadowlark Landscape and Design specialize in breathtaking landscapes that enhance the beauty of your home. Contact Meadowlark Landscape and Design today for a free consultation. Meadowlark Landscape and Design, where your dreams blossom.